Well, over the weekend, we had a rare phenomenon happen across the globe, and that was because of a geomagnetic storm, a level 5 out of 5 across the globe, and it occurred, and we were able to see the northern lights. Yeah, Tyler Roney took this picture out of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Look at the blues and the greens, a little bit of purple over here maybe, but look at that, pretty, pretty, pretty. Melissa Sizemore took this picture out of Helena, Alabama. You can see a little bit of pinks and purples. Pink showing off dominantly, pretty colors and pretty pictures. Some of this don't even look real, if I had to be honest. Jacob Durham sent this picture out of Knoxville, Tennessee. This really don't look real with the trees in the backgrounds and the pinks and purples. That just looks like a postcard that's not even like real. Nicholas Hermoso sent this picture out of Uriah, Alabama, with the blues and the pinks and the purples kind of like colliding. So yeah, very rare for people like Uriah, Alabama. It's far south Alabama, and it's rare for anybody along the south and coastal areas to see the northern lights. That's like a rare generational type of event. So it was very rare for people on the coast. We had reports of viewing of the northern lights as far south as the Bahamas. Okay, yeah, let that sink in. Yeah, it is rare that that happens. So what is geomagnetic storm? What is solar storm? What is the Aurora? Now, solar wind. Heat in the sun, charged particles emit by the sun, and they travel through space. They kind of dance along in space, and the Earth has a magnetic shield around it, and it protects us from most of the particles that are emitted by the sun. But sometimes the sun emits a few more extra particles than it normally does on the normal basis, and that causes a solar storm to occur. Now, during a solar storm, these extra charged particles that the sun has emitted can reach Earth's poles, like the South Pole or the North Pole here on Earth. And what happens with that is you get collisions to occur, and that is charged particles from the sun collide with oxygen and nitrogen that's in the Earth's atmosphere. And that causes the auroras. Now, oxygen and nitrogen interact with the particles, and they emit different colors alike. So that's why in the pictures you saw some pinks, some blues, some greens, stuff like that, because the oxygen and nitrogen are interacting with the particles and emitting different colors of lights. And with the aurora shapes, the shape of aurora depends on the viewing position of the Earth's magnetic field. So that's why we were able to see as far south as the Bahamas. So again, rare generational type event. Hopefully we get to see it again, but probably not here in the southern and northern hemispheres.